Bless the Lord, O you his angels, you mighty ones who do his word, obeying the voice of his word. Bless the Lord, all his hosts, his ministers who do his will. Bless the Lord, all his works, in all places of his dominion. Bless the Lord, O my soul. This psalm begins with doxology, in other words, praise, and ends in doxology. And sandwiched in between the two is theology. The phrase bless the Lord appears 4 times in the concluding doxology. The tragedy of our day is that we have doxology without theology. In simple terms, theology is facts about God that are revealed in his word. Proverbs 28:9 says, if one turns away his ear from hearing the law, even his prayer is an abomination. Apply that to worship. Our worship becomes an abomination to God when we don't pay attention to God's word. Biblical preaching needs to be the hub of our worship. That's exactly what happened in the early church. Acts 2:42, and they devoted themselves to the apostles' teaching and the fellowship, to the breaking of bread and the prayers. The songs of our day shows the bankruptcy of our theology. In his book, Whatever Happened to the Gospel of Grace, James Montgomery Boyce writes, the old hymns express the theology of the church in profound and perceptive ways and with winsome, memorable language. They lifted the worshipper's thoughts to God and gave him striking words by which to remember God's attributes. Today's song reflect our shallow or non-existent theology and do almost nothing to elevate one's thoughts about God. As long as our theology is not right, our worship will not be right. May God give us grace to offer him a doxology that is fitting. Have a blessed weekend.